Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, there lived a boy named Arjun. He was an ordinary boy with an extraordinary dream: to become a great archer like his idol, Arjuna from the Mahabharata. From a young age, Arjun was fascinated by archery. He would watch the local archers practice and dream of one day being able to shoot an arrow with such precision and skill. But there was one problem: his family was poor and could not afford to send him to a proper archery school. Undeterred, Arjun decided to teach himself how to shoot. He would sneak away to the nearby forest every day after school and practice with his makeshift bow and arrows. Despite the lack of proper training and equipment, Arjun's natural talent and determination soon became evident. Years went by, and Arjun grew up to be a young man. He had become an excellent archer and was able to shoot arrows with incredible accuracy. But he knew that if he wanted to achieve his dream of becoming a great archer, he needed to take things to the next level. One day, he decided to visit the nearby town to see if he could find a teacher who would be willing to train him. After a lot of searching, he finally found a retired archer who was willing to take him on as a student. The old archer's name was Guruji, and he was a master of archery. Arjun was thrilled to have found such a knowledgeable teacher, and he worked tirelessly to impress him. Day after day, he practiced his craft, taking in every piece of advice that Guruji had to offer. Under Guruji's guidance, Arjun's skills grew by leaps and bounds. He became more focused and disciplined, and his accuracy improved greatly. He was on his way to achieving his dream. One day, Guruji announced that he would be holding a tournament to find the best archer in the region. The winner would receive a prize that would help them further their archery career. Arjun was thrilled at the opportunity and began to prepare for the tournament. He practiced for hours every day, honing his skills and perfecting his technique. The day of the tournament arrived, and Arjun was nervous but excited. He knew that this was his chance to prove himself as a great archer. As the tournament began, Arjun took his place among the other competitors. They were all skilled archers, and the competition was fierce. But Arjun's training and determination paid off, and he was able to shoot his way to the top. In the end, Arjun emerged victorious, having proven himself as the best archer in the region. He was overjoyed, but he knew that this was just the beginning. He had a long way to go before he could truly call himself a great archer. From that day forward, Arjun worked even harder to perfect his craft. He trained tirelessly, always striving to improve his skills. And with each passing day, he grew stronger and more skilled. Years went by, and Arjun became one of the most renowned archers in the country. He had achieved his dream, and he had done it through hard work, dedication, and the power that lay within him. The moral of the story is that no dream is too big, and no obstacle is too great if you have the power within you to overcome it. Like Arjun, we must all work hard and stay dedicated to our goals. And with determination and perseverance, we can achieve anything we set our minds to.